Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a rectangle in Google Docs. So first, you have to place the cursor where you want to insert the rectangle or the square later. This is very much important because you don't want to accidentally wreak havoc your document. So it is a good idea to put the cursor in a new line like this, and then go to the insert menu, navigate to drawing, and then click new. So in this window, we will be able to create a rectangle or a square for our document. Click on this icon that's called shape, navigate to shapes, and click on this icon that says rectangle. And now you can start drawing a rectangle with your cursor like this. Or if you want to draw a perfect square, you must press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard. So let's click on the shape again. And I'm going to hold the Shift key on my keyboard. Basically, this will make sure that my drawing is going to be perfectly square like this. Okay. And then if you want to change the color, you can click on this icon that says fill color, and you can change to whatever color you want. And interestingly, you can also change the color or remove the color entirely to make it transparent. And this is probably going to be useful if you want to use the border. Let's say you want to highlight some area in your document and you want to make some element more stand out, then you can use this feature or you can use this element. So when you're done with the drawing, by the way, there are a lot of things you can do with this. You can actually add some text inside of the square. That's possible. You can change the border style. You can change basically almost anything you want. So basically when you're done, you can click save and close. And this square will be inserted into the document. And please note that you cannot just edit it right away. If you want to change or modify the square, you have to click on the square again and then click edit to bring up the drawing menu. So if you want to remove this, if you want to move this square, you have to click on it and select the text wrapping setting. There are a few options, but the one that I like the most is wrap text, because this will make sure that the square is going to be visible and not accidentally obscuring the text. However, if that is something that you want, then you can actually use the setting that's called uniform text, and this will allow us to use the rectangle as a element to make something more apparent, like you can highlight some element like this. So yeah, that's basically the simple way you can insert a rectangle in Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.